Good morning, Standard 8 student. Yesterday, I have given you a video in which, because of the thundering and the bad weather, network problem was there. So once again, I am going to solve the same question what I explained you yesterday in this video, right? And see, be careful, note down the answers. Hey, LCM, you must not no confusion in LCM, HCF, what from beginning we have studied that one. And simplification, you will not commit mistakes in simplifications. You will always get the correct answer. So, as I ask you the question number x, y, n minus 1 x y m minus n into x y y z n minus l into zx l minus n. Okay. Now this is power. M minus n is the power on x as well as on y. N minus n is power on y as well as on z. L minus n is the power on z as well as on x. Now we have to solve these questions. Okay. So x m minus n into y m minus n into y n minus l into z n minus l into z l minus m into x l minus n. 8 l minus n is the power on z as well as on x. Similarly, n minus l is power on y as well as on z. Same way, m minus n is the power on x as well as on y. Now see, among them there is multiplication sign. So if multiplication sign is there and same base is there, then the power, according to the first rule of exponent, power will be added. So this one x and this one x. This power n minus n plus l minus n. So x add this power plus l minus n. Again, this y and this y have the same base, and between them multiplication sign is there. So their power will be also added. Y m minus n, this power plus n minus n into z. Z same base and multiplication sign between them. So z n minus l plus l minus n. Now plus n and minus n will be cancelled. Here minus n plus n will be cancelled. Here minus n plus n will be cancelled. What is left? That will be the answer. So x left l plus and n minus. So l minus n. Y m minus l and z n minus n is left. This is our answer. You follow this one? So nothing difficult here. Only you have to be careful in simplifications, right? And follow the rules of exponent. Only 3 rules of exponent. Same base, then power will be added. If same base and division sign is there, then power will be subtracted. And third rules, if their power is there, both the power will multiply. Next question. See, x to the power 5 plus n into x square 3n plus 1 by x to the power 7n minus 2. See, x, here x square and their power. So these two power will be multiplied by using the third rules of exponent. So here x to the power 5 plus n, there x, these two multiply by this 3n, 6n and 2 plus 1 plus 2 by x to the power 7n minus 2. Now see here, between there is a multiplication sign, so the power will be added. So x 5 plus n plus 6n plus 2 by x to the power 7n minus 2. Yes. So this power will be added because of the same base. Now operate the like term. You know the like term or not? Like terms. So x 5 plus 2 7 and 6n are the like term. So n plus n and plus 6n plus 7n by x to the power 7n minus 2. Now same base and this is division sign. What is the second rules of exponent? Their power will be subtracted. Subtract the power. So x to the power 7 plus 7n. When subtracted, this will be subtracted minus 7n minus 2. So x 7 plus 7n minus 7n plus minus minus plus 2. This 7 will be cancelled. What is the answer? X to the power 9 is the answer. 7 plus 2, 9 is the answer. M plus n to the power minus 1. M minus 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to, we have to prove mn minus 1. 8. So LHS is equal to, we have to prove RHS. First take LHS. M plus n, both together power minus 1. So we have to convert into positive power. And here m minus 1 plus n minus 1 means m is individual negative power and n is individual negative power. But here both together negative power. So negative power we have to convert in positive. How? By taking its reciprocal value. So 1 by m plus n into second bracket individual 1 by m plus 1 by n. 8 1 by m plus n into, what is LCM? LCM will be mn. Here n plus n will be left. What is the LCM of m and n? Two different. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 2 and 3 LCM means 2 into 3. 2 is different, 3 is different. So when you have to take the LCM, we have to multiply together. Similarly, m is different, n is different. So what is the LCM of m and n? M into n. Now this LCM divided by n. When we divide mn by m will be cancelled, n will be left. N multiply by 1, that is n. Similarly, now LCM will be divided by n. What is left? M will be left. M multiply by 1 means here n. Now here m plus n, here m plus n will be cancelled. What is left? 1 by mn. Or write it in the negative form and minus 1. This is RHS. XA by xb their power 1 by ab into xb by xc their power 1 by bc into xc by xa their power 1 by ca. We have to prove equal to 1. 8. So this is same base, division sign is there, so power will be subtracted. Xa minus b, their power 1 by ab. Or another method, simple method you do. What? X to the power a, their power 1 by ab. Here x to the power b, their power 1 by ab. Into x to the power b into 1 by bc, x to the power c into 1 by bc, into x to the power c into 1 by ca, into x to the power a into 1 by ca. So this c will be cancelled, this a will be cancelled, this b will be cancelled, this c will be cancelled, here b will be cancelled, a will be cancelled. What is that? x1 by b, x1 by a, into x1 by c, into x1 by b, into x1 by a, by x1 by c, 1 by c, x1 by c, x1 by c cancel, x1 by b, x1 by b cancel, x1 by a, x1 by a cancel. What is that? 1 is the answer. Right. So I will give you some more questions to do as a homework, and if there are no problem, then next video I will solve this question once again. Thank you very much.